Good morning children. So in today's class, let's come, we'll discuss about the pollution. Pollution. So what is the meaning of pollution? Pollution means it is the process of making the environment impure. Process of making the environment impure. Process of making the environment impure. That we called pollution. Pollution means the process of making the environment impure. That we call the pollution. The process of making the air, water, land and soil impure by addition of a harmful substance is called pollution. The process of making air, water, land and soil impure by addition of a harmful substances is called pollution. So pollutant is a substance that pollute the environment. So pollutant is a substance that pollute the environment. That we call pollutant. Pollutant. So it is a substance pollutes the environment. That we call pollutant. Pollutant means it is a substance which pollute the environment. That is called the pollutant. And a polluter is a person or a factor that pollutes the environment. Polluter is a person or a factor that pollutes the environment. Factor that pollutes the environment. It may be a person also. Polluter means a factor that pollutes the environment. It may be a person also. So next, types of pollution. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. So first come to the air pollution. Types of pollution. In that first one is air pollution. How the air will get pollute? So there are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and soil pollution. So first come to the air pollution. So how the water will get, how the air will get polluted? The contamination of air by toxic gases emitted by the vehicles, factories, firecrackers, etc. is called air pollution. So air pollution means the contamination of air by toxic gases. Toxic gases means harmful gases emitted by the vehicles, factories, firecrackers, etc. is called air pollution. The gases released by the factories, vehicles and firecrackers, when these gases gets mixed with the air, when these toxic gases released by the vehicle, factories or industries or by the firecrackers, when these gases get mixed with the air, then the air gets polluted. There are various factors that contribute to air pollution. So there are many reasons to pollute the air, like burning of wood, coal and dry leaves. So like burning of wood, coal and dry leaves, these are the factors that pollute the air. There are various factors that contribute to air pollution, like burning of wood, coal and dry leaves, deforestation, germs and release of toxic gases from unclean drains and uncovered garbage drums. So these all are the factors that pollute the air, and the factors are burning of wood, coal and dry leaves. Burning of wood, coal and dry leaves, these are the factors that pollute the air, and also the deforestation. From the deforestation, the air also will get polluted, and the germs and release of toxic gases from unclean drains, and the gases which are released from the unclean drains and uncovered garbage dumps. The gases which are released from the unclean drains and uncovered garbage dumps, those gases are also responsible for the air pollution. And the next one is the effect of air pollution. So what are the effects of air pollution? And the first one is factories release a number of gases which are harmful for human beings, plants and animals. For breathing compulsory we need the air. For every living being need air. So factories release a number of gases which are harmful for human beings, plants and animals. For breathing purpose we need air. When the factories release the harmful gases, then that gases get mixed with the air. Then the air gets polluted. When we breathe that air, so it is harmful for us. So factories release a number of gases which are harmful for human beings, plants and animals. When we breathe the pollute air, then we get the breathing problems like asthma and skin allergies or infections. Vehicular pollution is a major threat to the environment. So vehicular pollution is a major threat to the environment. The harmful gases released by vehicle cause cough, nausea, irritation in the eyes, etc. So gases which are released from the vehicles, those are also responsible for the air pollution. Vehicular pollution is a major threat to the environment. The harmful gases released by vehicles cause cough, nausea, irritation in the eyes, etc. And the third one is pollution also causes asthma, skin allergies, infections, etc. The pollution also causes the asthma, skin allergies, infections, etc. When we breathe the polluted air, then we get the diseases like asthma, skin problems or infections, etc. These all are the effects of air pollution. And the next one is water pollution. How the water will get polluted? Air will get polluted by the gases released by the factories, vehicles, fire crackers. So air gets polluted by the factories or by the fire crackers or by the gases released by the that is harmful for plants or animals. So water pollution is the presence of any material. Water pollution is the presence of harmful material in the water that is harmful for plants or animals. So water pollution is also harmful for the plants and animals. Various types of pollutants enter water and cause water pollution. When the various types of toxic material, means harmful materials enter the water, then the water will get polluted. Disposal of sewage, dead animals, industrial waste, water waste material, bathing and washing clothes in rivers are the major reasons for water pollution. So disposal of sewage, dead animals, industrial waste, waste material, bathing and washing clothes in the rivers are the major reasons for water pollution. So disposal of sewage, dead animals, bathing and washing clothes in the rivers, these all are the reasons for the water pollution. And the next one is the effects of water pollution. So what are the effects of water pollution? Drinking polluted water causes diseases like cholera and jaundice. So the drinking polluted water causes the diseases like cholera and jaundice. When we drink the polluted water, then we get the diseases like cholera and jaundice. Cholera and jaundice disease, these both diseases are coming only from the polluted water. When we drink polluted water, then we get the diseases like cholera and jaundice. And the second one point is polluted water causes great harm to aquatic plants and animals. When the water will get polluted, so polluted water causes great harm to aquatic plants and animals. Aquatic plants and animals. Aquatic means water. The animals which are living in the animals or plants which are living in the water, those animals or those plants we call aquatic animals or aquatic plants. So polluted water directly affect on the aquatic plants and aquatic animals. So drinking polluted water causes diseases like cholera and jaundice, and polluted water causes great harm to the aquatic plants and aquatic animals. So these two are the effect of water pollution. So now open your textbook, page number 238. Page number 238. So in that page they have given some questions, progress milestone. So tick the correct option for the tick the right mark for the correct option. Open your textbook, page number 238, progress milestone. So tick right mark for the correct option. In that they have given some questions. So read the question and put right mark for the correct one. So life without water is possible on earth. Is it yes or no? No, because life without water is impossible. Without water we can't survive on earth. So put right mark on the no. Life is not possible without water on the earth. And the second one, oxygen is vital for the survival of life on earth. So oxygen is vital for the survival of life on earth. Yes or no? Yes, oxygen is vital for the survival of life on the earth. So to survive on the earth, compulsory every living thing need oxygen. So put right mark on the yes. Next come to the mantle is the upper layer of the earth. Yes or no? Yes, mantle is the upper layer of the earth. So put right mark on the yes. Next the fourth one. Drinking polluted water can cause many diseases. Is it yes or no? Yes, drinking polluted water can cause many diseases. So put right mark on the yes. So write down this in your class work. Don't write in textbook. You have to write this in your class work. Okay. So environment get polluted in the four types: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. So what are the effects of air pollution? Already we have discussed it. Now already I have discussed those air pollution and water pollution. Okay, and the next one is noise pollution. So environment get polluted in the four ways: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and soil pollution. So air pollution, water pollution already I have discussed it that one. Next come to the noise pollution. The presence of loud noise and sounds in the atmosphere is called noise pollution. The presence of loud noise and sound in the atmosphere. The presence of loud sound or noise in the atmosphere is called the noise pollution. It is very harmful for human beings as well as animal. So noise pollution is also harmful for the human beings and also for the animal. The cause of noise pollution are blaring music system. Blaring means loud and unpleasant sound. Blaring means loud and unpleasant sound. Blaring, it is an unpleasant sound. Blaring means unpleasant sound. So the cause of noise pollution are blaring music systems, loudspeakers, car and bus horns, machines in factories and TV. So these all are the causes of noise pollution: blaring music systems, loudspeakers, car and bus horns, and machines which are using in factories and TV. These all are causes for the noise pollution. So what are the effects of noise pollution? It causes hearing loss, sleep disturbances, increased heartbeat, etc. So effect of noise pollution are it causes hearing loss. It causes the hearing loss, sleep disturbances, increased heartbeat and etc. It may also lead to deafness. When the noise gets polluted, it may lead to deafness. Deaf means hearing loss. Hearing loss and deaf both are the same meaning. In Kannada we call it is a kivud. So it may also lead to deafness. So deafness is also the effect of noise pollution. So noise pollution causes the hearing loss, sleep disturbances, increased heartbeat and also lead to the deafness. These all are the effect of noise pollution. Okay, for today's class, it's enough. and the soil pollution and ways to save the environment we discuss in the next class.